Welcome back, students. In this video, uh, in last previous video we discussed that any triangle having a three median, and these three median intersect in one point which is known as centroid. Okay, and we also seeing the property of centroid, which is divide the median in 2:1 ratio. In this video we going to learn that how to draw this median. Okay, so we need a rounder. नाउ वी आर नोइंग दैट ट्रायंगल हैविंग थ्री साइड्स, तो हमें क्या करना है, हमें तीनों साइड्स के परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर बनाने फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल। सो परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर बनाने के बाद हमें मिड पॉइंट मिल जाएंगे तीनों साइड्स के। सो लेट मी चूज फर्स्ट वाई जेड सेगमेंट। सो पहले तो मुझे वाई पॉइंट पे रखना है मेरा पॉइंटर, मोर देन हाफ डिस्टेंस लेना है स्टूडेंट्स, एंड देन आफ्टर मेक अ मार्क अप साइड एंड डाउन साइड। Okay, now without disturbing that distance, keep it on point Z, again mark on it. Okay, now you have to join these marks like this way. You can see that you will get here one point. Now I give a name point A. Same as well as you have to make a perpendicular bisector for segment XZ also. Take again more than half distance in it. Make an arc upside and downside also. Keep it on X. This one you already learned in last year 7th standard. Okay, then join these 2 points with the scale and give it to name point B. What is remaining? Segment XY bisector, perpendicular bisector is remaining. So again follow the same procedure. Take more than half distance in it. Make arc upside and downside. Keep it on X also. Same process you have to follow here also. Okay, now again join these two lines with this scale. Now you can see here we got A, B, C point, which is what, which are the median of this segment. Okay, so which are the midpoints of the segments. So how we will get the median from this? So now you have to join X vertex with opposite midpoint, which is the A. So I will get here first median segment XA. Now choose the next point Y it is, and you have to join with the point B. So here I got a next median YB, and then join Z to C. So I got segment ZC. As like this, you can see here I got three medians, XA, then YB, and the last ZC. You can see all these three medians are intersect in this point, which is your nothing but centroid point, which is denoted by G. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you very much.